Got him. Oh, that's not bad. That's not a bad one at all there. Wait for that car to go by. Come on, buddy. Calm down, calm down. Are you gonna stop? There you go, that's the best one for the morning. He might actually be 13 inches. Let's go ahead and give him a measure. 13 inches is the minimum the fish has to be. He's looking close to it. We're gonna check real fast. Let's see what you are, Mr. Fishy. I think you're short. All right, mouth to mouth, that's like right at 13 inches. Right at 13. Okay guys, it's number one. 13 inches. Right on it. See you later, buddy. I almost fell. I'm trying to stay out of the water as much as I can through here. There's some good fish that live here, and I normally struggle to catch them. They're pretty smart fish. They're not exactly the easiest ones to get a hold of. I get one of the good ones. He's not bad. Yeah, he's not bad at all. Look at that one behind him. Look at that, man. Two big boys side by side. He's bringing it. He's a nice one. Ain't got my braid no more. I can't just, you know what I'm saying? Oh no, get back up when you can. Where you at, dude? There we go, we got him. Yeah, that's a nice one right there, guys. Winnow getting it done today. Yeah, I bet he's 15, maybe 16 inches. He's skinny, but man, he is a long one. Already wet here. All right, gotta throw our little bait up here. Let's see what you measure out at, buddy. Let's see if I can get the camera on it. All right. Looks like he is 16 and a quarter. The 16 and a quarter, guys, I'm not too worried if the measurement doesn't come out good enough or not. I'm more worried about keeping my fish healthy. So let's get a picture of him and we'll get him on his way. 16 and a quarter. Alright guys, we are just getting into this, and so far, honestly, I've already had a good day. I could wrap it up and call it a day right now, and I could be pretty satisfied with the action I've already had. But we are just getting started. So far, guys, this Kai tag is killing them. They got no chance against this thing. I'm really excited about the 16 and a quarter I caught. I wish I could have got a hold of that other one that was with him too. I don't know if you guys could see it in the camera or not, hopefully, because that was a really good fish that was with him, probably a 17 incher after now that I know how long the one I had actually was. All right guys, so I'm supposed to be wearing a mark. I don't have my mark. I'm not really competing, so I'm not too worried about it. If you guys want to call me out on it, you can call me out on it. I don't care. I'm not winning this thing. I'm just having fun. All right, I'm just having fun. I'm fishing the phases, and I'm seeing how my success would go had I competed. All right guys, stay tuned. Got a good one. We got a good one. There we go. Yeah, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. That is a real good fish right there, boys. It's a healthy smallmouth. Slow down, girl. That right there. Woo-wee. And you know what? I've caught this fish before. See his tail all notched out like that? I have caught this fish before. It's been quite some time. Talking about barely having him hooked too, guys. Man, what a beautiful fish. Let's get our measurement going here. I about lost him. You got to measure you, buddy? Right here may be a better place to try to measure your ass at, huh? Okay, this one here looks to be 15 3/4. Okay, 15 3/4. I thought that fish was bigger than that. Look how much more beefier he is than the other one I caught. Man, that's crazy. Get us a picture. That's a beautiful one. Nice 15 1/4, guys. All right, let's get him back in the water.
Oh, I ain't gonna live like this no more. Most of my life's been waging war till I found peace. I could've swore what she did shook me to the core, and I ain't gonna live like that no more.
Got him. Now you come back here, buddy. You come back here. He's all up underneath that tree. There we go. Yeah, you come here. You're mine. Watch them swim all the way back across there for it. So you guys, what actually happened there was a small one had it, and I never set the hook on him. And then he spit it out, and then this big guy took a run at it as soon as he spit it out. There we go. I bet that's another 15. All right, let's get our forceps out because he's got it down his mouth a little bit. Invaluable tool right here, guys. Enables you to go right inside here. Let's get it all straightened up here first so we can see. I tell you what, I barely really got him. It's just right there in the roof of his mouth. There we go. Yeah, that's not a bad one. Maybe a 14, 15 incher. Let's find out. Mouth closed. Tail on. He is 15 1/4. All right, get him released. All right, guys, 3 quality fish. I'm pretty happy about that. I can't believe the way that last one hit. Did you guys see it? I actually had one, okay? I threw it up there. There was like 4 or 5 small ones, and then there was that big one. One of those little ones actually picked it up. I seen him have it. I was bringing him through there. He had it in his mouth the whole time. It got the attention of the bigger one. The bigger one turned, the little one spit it out. And when he spit it out, the big one shot over for it and took it. That was pretty awesome. You know, that's one of the things I love about creek fishing and fishing in these shallow and clear water creeks. You know, you actually get to see that happen. You know, I get the appeal of live scope for that very reason, is you actually get to see it all go down in live action. That's one of the most exciting parts about fishing, is throwing your lure out there, seeing a fish react to it, and then you doing something and it actually ends up in resulting in you catching the fish, right? That's one of the greatest highs there is in fishing, guys, right next to like getting your kid on a PB or something. I love it, guys, when a plan comes together. See you soon. Got him. Good one. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. Nice fat healthy one here, boys. All right, you want to come up here? We can come up here, that's fine. All right. Not bad. He's not as big as the other ones. We don't worry about measuring him. He's, I don't know, probably 14, maybe 15 inches tops. Not a bad one, though. Beautiful fish. All right, let's get him up out of here. There we go. Got him. That's a good one. He's got me in the bushes. Yeah, that's a good one. Where did he come from, huh? I gotta get in the water with him. He's got me all up in these bushes. Come on, dude. Chill out. This poor guy here, he's been had by an otter at least once. I think he's missing half his tail. Poor guy. He's a solid fish though. Guys, you got no beat up one here. He's probably 14, 13 inches. All right, let's get him up out of here. They don't want to leave my side. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Yeah, that's a slob right there. Oh my God, he came off. No. Oh. Dude, that was a slob. Oh, and I lost him. He bent my hook out. Right there he is. Straight bent my hook out on me. That was a good one. That was a 3-pounder right there. Well guys, I just lost an absolute unit of a smallmouth. That fish was easily 3 pounds, if not more. And once I looked at my bait, I seen that my hook was bent. I don't know if he bent my hook out or if I bent my hook out sometime back through there, but I lost like 3 fish in a row, including that big one. And then when I went to fix my bait, I seen that my tip was bent out. So either he straightened me out or something else straightened me out, and I should have been paying more attention. So tip of the day, guys, check your hooks periodically to make sure they're not bent, because my hook into a slob and he might straighten you out the rest of the way. All right guys, stay tuned. Thought my camera was on, guys. I think I just caught a giant. I'm not for sure, but this guy is really fighting hard. I don't know why he's fighting so hard, but good Lord, he is really fighting hard. He's heavy. That's a heavy fish. No. You gotta get you measured, bro. That's a good one right there. That's a good one. Boy, oh boy. He was right there in the front. Yeah, that's a good fish right there. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. All right, let's get a measure on him. Okay, he is 16 3/4. Yeah, 16 3/4, guys. I can't get him to stay sitting. Hopefully that's a readable shot, because I'm not going from my camera. Okay. That's good, buddy. That's good. You did good. Oh, here we go, guys. 16 3/4, just shy of 17 inches. That's a nice one. That is a nice one. All right, let's get him up out of here. Just try and get him to hit out of anger. He ain't going to. There you go, beautiful. You old beautiful little butthead. Look at this. We got one swimming up here behind us. Man, he wanted it, didn't he? There we go. Got that one to take it. Oh, that's a good fish. He's a lot better than he looks. A lot better than he looks. Look at him. Look at him. Just go. Is that not just crazy, dude? The power of these fish. All right. Come here, buddy. There we go. It's another good one, really. I ought to give him a measure. I can't believe he chased that down like that. We'll go ahead and give him a measure. He's probably close to 16, even though he's really scrawny. Really, really scrawny. But yeah, I bet he's close to 16 inches. Hmm. 15 and a half. It's hard to read, but that's what he is. He's 15 and a half inches. Right on the money, too. Almost 15 and 3/4. It is 15 and 3/4. Okay. 15 and 3/4. Not too bad. Good looking little booger. Let's get him up out of here.